loud and proud in Accrington, aren't we? And I think the colours behind me on this Accrington bus say a lot about our proud heritage, the Accrington Pals. I remember as a young man going up to Mount Carmel, both sides in an Accrington bus just like this. To see it up and running and touring around, to spread that message to the next generation of just how proud our town and our borough is for our history, it'd be just amazing.
Hi, I'm Murray from Scott Dawson Advertising, and I'm here today down at Town and District Transport Trust, and we've got some really exciting news. We've been looking at this Leyland Leopard for 7 years now. After lots of hard work and effort, we've been successful. So Kath, can you just tell me a little more about what we've been up to?
It's just came out of nowhere, an email from Richard to say we've been successful, and I had to read it about 3 times just for the news to sink in.
In terms of the colour scheme of the bus, why is it so important reportedly?
It's the colours of the Accrington Pals, and history has it that the mud guards were painted black for mourning when the Pals were lost. I mean, with so much history in and around Accrington, it's probably something that most people don't think about, the transport history of Accrington.
In terms of £94,000, it sounds like a lot of money, but how is it going to be split?
A great bulk of it will be on the restoration of the bus itself, but also the learning and education side of it is important, and we'll be looking at how we can use website and digital delivery in order to get the heritage information across.
It can be used as a form of transport. It can be used as a heritage location for education into the history of the borough, and a mascot for the town.
I know we talked about it being a wheels and water project. Can you just tell me a bit more about your involvement?
We have a traditional boat which we take around. It's got information about the local canal, and we're really hoping we can work together. You can bring people down by bus, by historic transport, to look at another type of historic transport in the area.
So we're very proud as a group, Accrington Heritage Trust, and this is a flagship project for us in terms of delivering for the community. So thank you.